I think our time limit is only for 40 minutes. That's why we have been disconnected. No?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So I think Chanak Tutorial is going to launch his own browser. So we can teach unlimited if we want. So wait, other join, then we'll start. So Mendel's monohybrid cross that we have completed, you understood or not?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Till where? Because the link has been connected and I was unaware about it.
Sir, we have to self-pollinate them. Yeah,
Okay,
you stop there, sir.
okay. Self-pollination. Okay, wait.
Of F1 generation.
Hmm. Let other join, then we'll start the session. I think.
Sir.
Okay, now I'm going to share the screen again. See. So where were we? Okay, so now we are going to, I have already written over here. Now we are going to produce F2 generation from F1 generation. Okay, so what Mendel has done, he has shown the seed which were obtained from the F1 generation into his crop field, and he has left them for the self pollination. Okay, let me check other are on the no, we have 5 only. Okay, so he found that when plants of F1 generation getting self pollinated, so what happens when they are going to produce the next generation, they have to form again gametes. So they form two different types of gametes because their cell contain two different types of chromosome. One is for red and another is for white. So when he produces two types of gamete on the cell, there are one contain capital R and another contains small r. Same in case of the female plant. Okay, when this character, when capital R when going to fuse with capital R will form capital R, which is the pure red colored, which is as similar as P1 generation, which is as similar as P1 generation plant. Okay. Next, if capital R is going to fuse with small r, forms capital R, small r. And here, if this small r of the male plant going to fuse with this capital R of the female plant will produce again capital R, small r. So these are the red colored flower, but they are hybrid red as F1 generation, and this is red as P1 generation, means parental generation. And when this small r of the male flower, a male plant is going to fuse with this cell of the another flower, and the female flower will produce small r. Again, they contain small r, which is as similar as the pure white of the parent generation. Okay, so if we will write this character in the form of ratio, okay, so here we have genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio, the ratio which represents the genetic combination of the cell, that's why it is called as genotypic ratio. So on the basis of genetic combination, we can see that 25% are capital R, it is pure red. Then 50% contain capital R, small r, it is as similar as F1 generation. And 25% they contain small r, and small r, they are pure white. Okay. If we'll check the phenotypic ratio means the ratio which represents the physical contrasting character only are called as phenotypic ratio. Okay, so if you will see here, this 25% are red and 50% are pure red, but they are red, no, that's why 75% are red in color and only 25% are white in color. So it is 75 to 25, that means 3:1. It is a simple ratio which represents the physical contrasting character. That's why it is called as phenotypic ratio. It is phenotypic ratio. I have written definition over here for phenotypic ratio. The ratio which represents the physical contrasting character are called as phenotypic ratio. And here in genotypic ratio, okay, so genotypic ratio contain or it represents the genetic combination of the cell. That's why it is called as genotypic ratio. Okay, so this is all about the monohybrid cross by Mendel. Okay, and now Mendel is called as the father of genetics. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the monohybrid cross. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the monohybrid cross. Okay, so I think this the notes is going to share on your Google Classroom, so there you can note it down also. Okay, so I think our time is over. No, we have reached 5 minutes more. So anybody, if you have any kind of doubt in monohybrid cross by Mendel, you can ask me the question. Anybody? No questions? Amrut, Ajit,
No, sir.
Arvind, no question. Kritika
No, sir.
and Navneet. Navneet Reddy. No question. Pakka. Okay. So have you enjoyed the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you don't have a question, then I have a question. I'm going to ask you about what is monohybrid cross. Hmm? Monohybrid cross. I'm going to write definition over here, okay, so that you can understand. So in green one, okay. So the cross which involves only one physical contrasting character is called as monohybrid cross. We have taken only one contrasting character, and which is the color of flower. Which is the color of flower. So there are two color, but the character is same. What is it? Color of the flower. Okay. Maybe they have red color and white color, but these are not two different character. It is the same character as color of the flower. Okay. So that's why it is called as monohybrid cross by Mendel. Okay. So Mendel is also called as the father of modern genetics. पहले पता है मेंडल को सब पागल समझते थे when he was performing all this experiment. Everybody used to mock him like you are a mad or something. Okay, but after 100 year of his death, उसके death के 100 year after, people realized that whatever the research done by the Mendel was true. And that's why he is now the father of modern genetics. Okay, today's genetics is totally depend on the Mendel cross only. That's why Mendel is called as the father of modern genetics. Okay, so after his death he got honored. Is it? So this is the definition for the monohybrid cross. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the definitions, all the individual part of the session. Everybody? Ajit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amrud?
Yes, sir.
What about Arvind?
Yes, sir.
And Kritika?
Yes, sir, all clear.
Okay, and Navneet?
Yes, sir. All clear, sir.
So do you have your in your syllabus about the dihybrid cross also?
Yes, sir. We are
Yes,
having
sir.
of
So
tolerance.
you have doubt in it, or so do you want to understand this one also? Dihybrid cross?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think our time is also over now. So we will meet in next session. So, get your all the doubts. We will meet in next video classes, and we will solve your all the problems and queries. Okay. So read it, because you will face your examination within 20 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when is when your exam is going to fall? In which date?
6th May, sir.
6th of May. Okay. So get ready for your examination. All the very best. And if you have any doubt, then we'll meet on our next session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So bye for now. Thank you for attending the lecture.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye, beta.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye, beta. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, beta.